A U.S. District Judge in Massachusetts has declared a federal ban on same-sex marriage unconstitutional in that state. The question tonight, what's next? Joining us to talk about this decision is appellate lawyer Beth. Thanks so much for being with us, Lisa. Okay, so break this down for us. What does this mean, this ruling, for gay supporters of gay marriage in all of the states?
Well, this is a very good ruling for the people in Massachusetts, for gay couples, because now, since the district court has in fact struck down DOMA as unconstitutional, gay couples can apply for the same sorts of federal benefits that heterosexual couples can apply for. For instance, health insurance benefits, burial benefits, service people that have served in Iraq and have come back and have surviving gay spouses can now be buried with their spouses. They can also file joint tax returns. Of course, there is a 15-day stay on this ruling, so I wouldn't say that Massachusetts citizens should run out there right now and do it, but that's what the far-reaching effects of this would be.
Now, Lisa, DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act, as you mentioned,
yes,
that is a federal law. So what does this ruling effectively say about what could happen on a federal level in other states regarding gay marriage?
Okay, that's a good question. This is a federal judge that was appointed by, ironically, by Richard Nixon, and he's basically saying, he's interpreting the United States federal law, which is Defense of Marriage Act, and saying, hey guys, it's unconstitutional. That's a really big deal because it's giving the green light to other states that have already legalized gay marriage to go ahead and challenge DOMA as well. It's not like it's a small, dinky state court saying that DOMA is unconstitutional. It's a federal district court judge, and that's a big deal.
Okay, and so, Lisa, as far as we know, the Justice Department is reviewing the decision. What's the next step?
Well, I believe President Obama is in a bit of a pinch here, and I'll tell you why. President Obama is in charge of the Justice Department, which means if he is supposed to be enforcing the law, and the law is that the federal government doesn't recognize gay marriage, then he really has to appeal this case to the next step, which would be the circuit court in the United States Circuit Court. If he doesn't appeal it, then this law will not apply. DOMA will not apply to Massachusetts gay couples, and he's in a kind of a pinch because he promised that during his campaign that he would repeal DOMA. So he's in a funny position right now.
And very quickly, Lisa, does this mean we're closer to more legalized states with gay marriage or not? Which way? What do you think?
I would say absolutely yes. The gay groups will rally. I know in Massachusetts it was the Gay and Lesbian Advocate and Defense Group that filed initially to challenge DOMA, and then they were joined by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. And there's a whole bevy of other states that will likely file similar lawsuits, like, for instance, Iowa, Connecticut, New Hampshire, District of Columbia. All of these states, did I mention Connecticut? All of these states that have already legalized gay marriage will likely challenge this law.
Okay, big implications, Lisa Beth. We certainly thank you for giving us that input.
Thank you very much for having me.
Lisa, thank you very much indeed.